How to cancel your Netflix subscription. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually cancel your Netflix account subscription or membership. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, previously what we had to do was we had to actually log in through our browser, but these days we don't have to do that. We can actually cancel the subscription through our app itself. The very first thing you want to do is actually make sure that you have actually downloaded and updated the Netflix app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Netflix, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Netflix app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Netflix, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. Go ahead and log into your account by entering your email and your password, and also actually simply open any of the profiles which you have. Once you've actually opened Netflix, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. You have a bunch of recommended shows, animes, dramas, and movies, and so on, and you continue watching as well. And what you have to do is at the very top right hand side, you could basically see your profile icon from whichever profile you're actually watching. So in my case it is different, in your case it could be another, so simply tap on your profile. Now once you go to this page, you could actually basically see a bunch of different options such as notifications, mail alerts, app settings, account, and help. But what we have to do is at the very bottom, at the second last option, you can see this profile like icon which says account. So all you have to do is actually basically tap on accounts button. As you tap on the accounts option, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options on this page, so you have to be patient and wait. But you want to actually scroll down to your billing information tab, and here you'll find this option which says cancel membership. You can see our next billing date as well, and you can also see our billing details, and you have the option to actually cancel a membership, which is basically the way to cancel our subscription. So all you have to do is tap on cancel membership right over here. As you do that, it is going to ask us, are you done watching? If you're sure you would like to cancel your membership, finish below. Cancellation will be effective at the end of your current billing period on 26 August 2022, which means that it is actually going to stay until the end of this month, whenever your billing date period is. After that, your cancellation is going to be effective, which means you won't be able to access your account until you actually choose to resume your membership again. You can also see there it says restart your membership at any time. Your viewing preferences and account details will be saved for 10 months. And all you have to do is actually simply tap on this button which says Finish Cancellation in this blue text or this blue box. All you have to do is tap on the Finish Cancellation button in order to go ahead and cancel your Netflix subscription. And this is how you can actually cancel your Netflix subscription or membership. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.